Hi, welcome back to the final tutorial in the walkthrough for the 2013 IGCSE Edexcel IT paper. In Activity 5, you're being asked to use desktop publishing word processing software, basically Word, and it shouldn't take you that long. It should take you 25 minutes. Jonathan wants to send a letter to sponsors who have donated at least £30. He has prepared the content of the letter and saved it as letter. He has saved a list of sponsors who will receive the letter in the contact database. Now, this is important to notice. There are two databases. One you used earlier called Safari, this one now called Contact. Open the letter document. So we're going to open the letter document and enter our name and candidate details in the footer. So we'll have to enter our name in the footer. Now the only thing is, there already is stuff in the footer. So we just go Insert and Footer. We'll just go Edit the footer because there's already stuff in there. And we're going to say, we just have to put our name in the footer, so our name and candidate details. Okay, if you find that it does fill up the hole, then just put on new lines, okay, rather than writing over. Now, going back to here, the letter needs to be edited before it is merged. Edit the document to insert the logo in the right hand side of the header. Okay, so insert, header, edit the header, and we need to insert the logo. So insert, picture, from the desktop, from resources, which is where I've got it, and the logo, and make sure it's smaller. And we change it to wrap text so we can fit it in the top corner. Don't go over, don't try and go into the edge like there, keep it smart. Okay? Then, of course, we're looking here, insert the date in a suitable position. So I come out and make two lines between here, go on the right, and we say insert, date and time. Then going back, formatting the subject line appropriately so it stands out. Well, we can make it bold and underline. Insert appropriate complementary close. So at the end we can say yours gratefully, and this is put about 3 spaces to allow for a signature. Jonathan Wild, and he's the managing director. Make sure you've got a space, couple of spaces, about 3 or 4 lines there, so for the signature. Insert the name and role of the sender of the letter, so that's Jonathan Wild, and leave enough space for a signature. Done that. Resave task WP1A. So I need to save it. File, save as, and we save this as task WP1A. Save. Okay? Then we go back, and now it says the sponsor's details are stored in the address table of the contact database. Add merge fields to the document that will replace the text in brackets with appropriate information from the database. And it does say they have to be at least 30, so that's more than 30. So, to do a mail merge, we go Mailings, select an existing list, and we go to Desktop and Resources. We find our contact database, and then we can then replace. So it says here, insert the sponsor's name and address up here. So I can delete the red area and insert a merge field. So title, first name, last name, enter, address 1, address 2, postcode. Then it says enter their name, which we're going to put Mr. or Mrs. So we'll say insert title, and make sure you have spaces between the fields, otherwise it will look weird. And then down the bottom here, insert the animal's name here. So I can delete all this writing here, and then put insert animal there. And make sure you change the font so it's all black, so it's all consistent, it's all the same, it's fit for purpose. Okay, like so. And of course, go to mailings, and if we say edit the list, just check to see donation should be more than 30. More than 30. We've got one here that isn't, which is the top one. So we can go across and untick Alison Black. Press OK. And going back, what we need to do is resave it. So I just Control S to save. So I Control S to save. Print WP1 on one side of A4 showing the merged fields. These are the merged fields. So all I do is go File and Print, and I print the merged fields so I can see what I've done. Okay? You may use software, so that then will print and it'll show this. Perfect. Then I go back. To then he wants to check and sign the letters before they're posted. Produce merge letters using task WP1 in the address table. Do not make any other changes. Okay, so I've got to merge it. Print one of the letters off. So I've got to merge it, and then I've got to save it, and I've got to print one letter. So I basically go to finish and merge, and I could just say, so I just say preview results like there, and I could just say finish and merge, print documents, and I just say current record, press OK. And that is the mail merge, completing a letter using mail merge. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully that you find these useful. Please like, share and comment.